Then next to the super fun part, which is going to be colouring in all of these lovely cracks. So to do that, I'm going to take a... Pardon me. Oh, God, I'm so sorry. What? Oops. Okie dokie, so when you're done, it'll look something like this. I look like an egg. Ow. Ow. Ow, that hurt. I had so much fun doing this makeup. I particularly enjoyed filling in all the cracks. No. No, you know what I meant. Stop it. Naughty. Hello. Okay, next P.O. Box video. Birthday edition. It just so happens that I'm filming this on my birthday. That's it, really. There's a fly. And there we go. That's my look. Officially. Hang on a second. Hold on. Boop. I don't know why that's so amusing to me. I've been filming for 12 hours today. Not just this makeup, several other videos. And I'm getting delirious, but this, that makes me very happy. What? Kind of look like Groot. Like a fabulous Groot. Grout! Because of cracks! No! Okay, so let's get this spooky ball rolling by, I think you can get... Because their name rings a bell, but...
I don't know.
Alexa, stop. I was going to make a joke about how when I wake up, this is what my hair looks like in the morning, but it really does. And it makes me kind of sad. Shit. Oh my God, I didn't really even need the bald cap. Oh, that's just tragic. What? Wait. I look like I've got wings. What? No, I look like that one dinosaur from Jurassic Park where he gets really angry and then it's like, and it just spray. Oh my God. It's the little things in life. What? No. Oh my God. I can't focus on anything now. This is too amusing. Oh, Miriam, thank you so much. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, Miriam. I'm sorry. Oh. And yeah, so until the next video... No. Oh God, I've lost my train of thought. What did I say? Ah, fuck it. And Jeff, thanks so much. I really lost my train of thought. Ah, train of thought. Sorry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Then we can take a black face paint. This one is by Superstar, and we can start colouring in between each tooth. Then we can take a black face paint by Superstar and colour in between each teethy. There's that word again. I can then take another face paint by Superstar. This one is in light green, and I'm going to use that to colour in each tooth. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Oh no. There it is. Oh, it's only a few. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Whew. So I finished the look off by popping in 2 completely yellow Scalera contact lenses. I also popped on his fabulous pink shirt and black tie. And of course it wouldn't be right without the black and white striped shirt. No, what is it? Jacket, fuck. I just wanted to do something a little bit more colourful, a little bit more unique, and let's be honest, a lot less sticky. Because let's be honest, I'm actually getting a little bit tired of being sticky. I'm always sticky nowadays, bloody hell. Shut up, Charlie. It's just so bloody weird to do a zombie makeup that hasn't got any blood. Ha, I heard that. Ha, bloody weird. Sorry, oh, shut up. It's just so weird to do a zombie makeup without any blood in it. I mean, I'm getting used to it though, to be honest. It's nice not to be sticky. I keep fucking saying sticky. Stop saying sticky. God damn it, I've got sticky on the bloody brain. It's just everything's fucking sticky. Hey fluffies! Once again I'm about to start my next FX makeup tutorial, so I'm going to be sticking a lot of stuff to my face as per usual. So if you wanted to see me do some real time up to... Oh God, I've had so many Red Bulls today. Oh my God, I can hear it in my voice as I'm saying it, but let's carry on. What was I doing? Oh yeah, makeup, right, so I'm going to be doing makeup, so... Oh my God, this is a train wreck. So I finished the look off, as I said, by popping on my thing. That sounds weird. No. But as always, Fluffies, if you wanted to play this game for yourself, I definitely urge you do. Urge you do? Urge you do. I definitely urge you to do. I definitely urge you to do that. If you want to play yourself, I definitely urge you to do so. Fuck me, I'm just killing the English language, really, aren't I? I just shaved my face fuzz, including this little bit here, for the first time in what feels like years. And I want it back. Give it back. I'm just a doll with cracks in all the wrong places, and no, I can't say that. No. Oh, dementia. What a beautiful name. My name's Fester. It means to rot. And I just realised I sound like Sean Connery. What the fuck? This is why I don't do impressions. I can't fucking do them. And stick foam latex prosthetic. Just give you a boop then, sorry. Pardon me. Oh, not very zombie-like, is it? Or is it actually? I don't know. I've never seen a zombie burp in a movie before. So, fear, endurance, and... dick. Endurance and dick, what I go through my entire fucking life. You gotta have endurance. And dick. And there we go. That's my look. Officially complete. So I finished the look off by popping in 2 completely white sclera. Oh, I went on autopilot then. These ain't scleras. Huh. Let's do that again. And there we go. So I finished... And there we go. So I finished the look, as always, by popping in 2 completely white... black and white... I want to say sclera. Stop it. And there we go. So I finished the look off by... Fuck. So I finished the look off by popping in 2 white... Fuck. So I finished the look off by popping in 2 white... you know what? Contact lenses. I popped in 2 contact lenses. So I finished the look off by popping in 2 white contact lenses. It sounds weird, didn't it? I got... Oh! Okay. Just sneeze. Oh. There it is. Oh, my goodness. Oh. I can then apply some more adhesive going around my face until I get to the edge, making sure to stick it down at each time. No. What? Oh, but Fluffies, thank you both so much for doing this with me. Not computing. Hold on. Fuck. Okay. Yeah. Just press my button and I'll do a soft reset. That's not kinky as shit. Okay. But yeah, Fluffies, thank you both so much for doing this with me. Doing this with me. This with me. Oh my god, okay. This with me. Okay, go on.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Clap. Okay.
And...
Hey Fluffies! Welcome back to Pinkstylist Plays. Today... Oh, wrong channel. Oh, my brain stopped working then. Oh, how many times have I said hello? Oh, that's weird. Okay. Shit. Oh, that's weird and worrying. Oh no, let's not do that. No, let's go again.